Alright guys, just a super quick update. I've just closed off the raid trade today. I've got 77 pips on it, and you can see we entered around here at 41.28 I think I got, and it's just hit 42.10. I managed to get 77 pips out of that, and the bounce trade earlier was stopped out when we went short over here after the bounce trigger, but it's moved up higher, giving us a good profit on raid and a loss on bounce. So net result today of 47 pips. The reason I'm sending you this video is just to let you know that I've stopped trading live for the month now. I've stopped trading live for the month, and I'm going to switch across to the results and show you why. And this is the Excel spreadsheet I show you every time, and that is today's result. In fact, that should be the 27th. Let me just adjust that. It didn't account for the weekend. Automatically updates the date there. So as of today, actually that's 77 pips on there, and on raid, minus 30 on bounce. And these green figures are the results for June. The black figures are the results from the 26th of last month. So this, in fact, this number here is exactly 30 days. And this number here is for the month of June. So in the last 30 days, if I add those up, we've made 538 pips on the combination of bounce and raid. And in June, if I just add that one up, we've made 396 pips. Now the reason I'm stopping for the month is simply, and if you've been through all my teachings, you'll understand the reason why, but simply because we've hit a good profit for the month, and the cyclical nature of the market means that once we've achieved a really good result like we have today, then it's prudent to stop trading and start again the following month. I will continue to send out signals. I will continue to send out signals to members for the remainder of this month, and that's just a few days. In fact, Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, so just 3 more days apart from today, I'll send those signals out, and but I won't be trading them live. So my result for this month is 396 pips. I won't be adding or subtracting from that or to that, because that's my month-end result. I've stopped personally trading live for the month of June. Now you might want to continue to trade the signals as they come, it's up to you, but I want you to be very sure that part of the system, part of trading, is knowing when to stop and knowing when not to stop. Okay, knowing when to stop and knowing when not to stop. And the point is that you should not stop when you're in a drawdown and you've had some losses. You should not stop, because again the nature of the market will bring you back into a profitable situation if your trading systems have an edge. However, conversely, if you have a great winning run, a great winning month like we have done this month, it's my best trading month in quite some time, then it's prudent to stop, bank the profits, because you can assume that the market in its cyclical nature will eventually then go through a period of drawdown. We want to avoid that. When we're in a period of drawdown, we want to make sure that we hit the period of profits afterwards. So that's the reasoning behind it. Now if I just go across to the chart, you'll be able to see quite clearly, if I can just drag this across, you'll be able to see quite clearly the results for so far. So in May, the partial month of May, in fact these are not updated, just give me a second. Alright, sorry, let me put this chart up. The other one is not updated because it's for month end. But here we go, this is actually current, and you can see we're around about, combined about 500 pips, just shy of 500 pips for, in fact this is also not updated. Let me just quickly update this. Alright, there we go. So this is updated. I just didn't have it on auto update. But that green line there is a combination of the raid and the bounce system since the 26th. You can see that's close to 550 pips. The combination of the two, sorry, this is the bounce system, the red one. That's at around 400 pips, and the raid system at about 160 or so. So that's where we are for the month. That's why I'm stopping right now. And as I said, we'll continue to trade. I'll send out the signals, but I will not be taking them live. I will not be trading them live, and you can do with that information what you want. And if you want to continue to trade live, then by all means do so. But bear in mind that it's quite likely that we will go through a period of drawdown after a period of or a series of good wins, because that's the way the market moves. It moves in cycles, and we'll be up, have good trades for a while, and then some drawdowns, good trades for a while, some drawdowns, and that's generally how the market moves. So just wanted to update you with that. I've sent out the signal to you already just a few minutes ago saying that I've stopped trading for the month, and that I've closed all my trades, and I'll see you in tomorrow's update video. Take care. It's been a fantastic month, around about 400 pips, and I'm super stoked with that, and I'm sure you are as well. Take care.